To copy apps on Pixel 10a, you have to open the settings for the first, and now you will have to scroll down and go for security and the privacy settings. Now go below, open private space, and with the private space, this is the only way to actually do this. There's no any other magic trick that will allow you to clone and use, for example, 2 WhatsApp applications. So when you open this for the first time, you will have to wait for this creation process. You have to set a password, or for example, use the same that you are using for your screen lock. And when it's finished, you have to go for the application drawer, scroll down and open it. So now take a look. A short example. If I'm going to open the Google Play Store that is in the private space, there's no any account. But if I'm going to open it in my app drawer that is visible for everyone that grab my phone, the account is over here. So what does it mean? That we get 2 different applications and we can use 2 different accounts. And if I want to clone, for example, the WhatsApp, I have to just click to add. Now I have to select install apps, and I have to be connected with my Play Store, with my Google account, and then just download WhatsApp. And thanks to this, you will get 2 applications of every type that you can find on this phone.